Keep it on the logo, drop a bag and get a nigga buried. Lil' bro, since shots out through your car, he think he's Stephen Curry. I done dropped the 8 inside my soda, that mean my drink is dirty. I'm getting more money in the streets than Ross, I got these chicken servers. Let run the strippers to the studio, just give me service. I'ma put my trust inside this studio, go 730. Stay with my demons every day, these niggas good at murking. Dropping a ticket on the day they tried to play with smirking. Ain't be cool with niggas, I can't vouch for niggas, how they move. Do you like Ruth, Chris?